In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 248 by 4 using the long division method. As 2 is less than 4, so we will consider the number 24. From the multiplication table of 4, we know that 4 times 6 is 24. Subtract, we get 0. Now 0 is less than 4. That is why we will bring down this number 8 here. Now see that this is the number 8. So remove this 0. And we know that 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have no number to bring down here and get the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 248 divided by 4 is equal to 62. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.